Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what's up? I hope you join our family. We are at almost 400 subscribers, you guys. How exciting is that? Oh, girl, learn how to speak. But how exciting is it? Like, just seeing our little family grow. It's so cool. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for taking the time to hit that subscribe button, and for all of you that hit the like button, I appreciate y'all even more. All right, so let's get into this design, shall we? So what I'm going to basically do is I covered all the nails in a clear coat after I tipped and prepped them and applied my Protein Bond by Young Nails. So now I'm taking the Cover Peach by Young Nails and I'm going to apply that to all of the nails. I have been loving the super simplistic look of just a good nude with a blinged out nail. I just love it. It's so elegant, it's so beautiful, and it's saying, hey, look at me, without saying, hey, look at me. You know what I mean? It's just a little something something to your full set. After you applied your Cover Peach or the nude of your choice to the nail, you're going to go ahead and encapsulate that and just make sure you like how the nail looks. It helps prevent all the filing that you have to do at the end. So after it's fully dry and you did all of your nails, you're going to go ahead and file and shape it. Make sure they look nice and crisp. And then after you're done buffing and filing and shaping, we're going to take our Zulay BLING adhesive and our beautiful emerald and gold bling from Sky Beads Online, and we're going to do our design. I've been loving the gold and green, and I just think they're just really good colors together. I would love to see like a wedding or like a party with those colors. That would be really, really nice. As for the bling design, I really didn't have a design in mind. Sometimes you just want to, place it and just start working, and it'll kind of come to you on what you want to add or what you want to take away. It just kind of, you got to go with the flow and go with your creative juices on your designs. And then don't forget to check the description box for a link to all the goodies and bling and even the cover peach that I'm using. I'll go ahead and link all of that down below. So if you're wondering where I got anything, just make sure you check the description box. And it was at this moment that I remembered I had these really cute gold studded like triangle shapes that I thought would really accentuate the look and make it come together. And then with the gold studs, like the circle ones and like the triangle ones and the micro beads, you want to make sure that you just kind of go around on the outside of them with the adhesive or your glue, just to make sure there's no gaps in the middle of them to where they'll lift off and come off. And then on this top part, or the bottom part, however you look at it, we're gonna repeat the design and do the pretty much the same exact thing. And with the adhesive, you want to make sure to work quickly so that it doesn't dry up on you. And the triangles, there were two different shapes, so I was able to use the smaller one to kind of fit in that little nook better. Once you have your stones in place, you're going to go ahead and spray that with the Mia Secret activator that comes with the bling adhesive. That's just to make sure your stones stay in place and they're all fully dry. Then we're going to add our top coat and then shake and bake them in our lamp for 2 minutes or however long your lamp goes for. And voila, we are done with this super elegant yet, you know, super simple at the same time, but it's just so pretty, you guys, right? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it also. And please comment down below on what you want to see next. I love you, babies. Bye.